This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Welcome to 620 Mirabay Boulevard, a custom Seagrape floor plan by David Weekley Homes. This spacious home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and plenty of room for comfortable living. The main living area features 24-foot ceilings with large windows that let in lots of natural light. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, 47-inch cabinets, and an eat-in nook for casual meals. The primary bedroom is on the main floor, with bay windows offering beautiful waterfront views. The ensuite bathroom includes 2 separate sink areas, a large walk-in shower, and a big walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 3 more large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a loft space with a built-in workspace desk. The open staircase adds to the home's roomy feel. This home sits on a 100-foot extra-large lot with mature landscaping and a large front porch. The backyard leads directly to the Mirabay Canal, with no bridges or lifts blocking access to Tampa Bay. The private dock has electric and water hookups and a 16,000-pound boat lift that can hold a boat up to 50 feet. The screened-in and covered lanai is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Other features include a 2-car garage, crown molding throughout, 2 flexible main floor rooms, think formal office, sitting room, formal dining, a big laundry room with a sink and cabinets, and a seawall replaced 3 years ago. Mirabay offers amazing amenities, including year-round heated pools, a 24-hour fitness center, tons of sports courts, walking trails, parks, and a private boat launch. The neighborhood is golf cart friendly, and the HOA is just $172 yearly. This home is ready for you to enjoy the best of waterfront living. Contact me today to learn more or schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.